No, I mean, if I have to invest in 500 million, I'm just following what Westfield was doing, because Westfield is trying to do that investment in Italy on a very simple assumption. That part of Italy is the only part in the world, Milan, where there are more than 1.5 million people with that level of income, where there isn't a shopping center bigger than 50,000 square meters. It's very simple, very basic. There is the money, there are the people, and there is no other product. So there are other examples, not many, but other examples. But I think, and that is something that goes against what someone has said before, that problem of sustainability. Our problem is certainly about growth, and for a number of reasons. One has been mentioned regarding the time they take to get money back or to get property back. So is it a question of a law reform, something about labor reform. But we have had a problem for a number of years, and now I think we have to change. But the issue is not sustainability. The issue is to get right quality standard product that we don't have in Italy. So as simple as that. So I think this is an opportunity, but there are many opportunities of this type.
I believe that the three main choices are market, destination, a type of asset. Probably for the market, 2/3 is similar to Martini cocktail. 2/3 in the liquid market, 1/3 in such market that is not so, I don't know how I can say, not illiquid, but not so useful for international investor, but that could be interesting for the potential growth. From the destination, I believe that retail is interesting, sure. Personally speaking, I believe that in this moment, logistics sector is underweight. There will be a big change, or there is a big change in the retail sector, and logistics could be one sector in which there will be the effect of the retail. So, new project, obviously. And from the type of building, I believe that also in this case, 2/3 in existing building if the quality of asset is a good quality, 1/3 in the development project to have from this type of investment more return.
Okay, good. Thank you. Luca?
Well, on one side, maybe I will leverage on an opportunistic approach, acquiring portfolio of real estate assets belonging to property funds that are going to expire. It will represent a good business, as mentioned also by Alessandro, during the next years, considering just the market of listed funds, up to 6 billion of real estate assets will be put on the market, of which about 3 in the next 2 years. And of course, it will represent a market on which good deals could be done. On the other side, I think it could be interesting to leverage the main drivers that represents Italy. So basically, food, fashion, leisure, and so investing in real estate collateral linked to those businesses, not through starting from greenfield, but in particular, in my view, through the revamping of existing building, also leveraging on the vacancy that there is in some important cities, or on office building in good locations that could be easily transformed and refurbished in buildings of new generation.
I'm a passionate of retail, so obviously more than 50% will be on retail. And as Alessandro said, and since I have in my portfolio a 140,000 square meters project, dominant shopping center in Rome, part of this will be there. the rest, partial, let's say 20-25% in the office market, probably more in Rome than in Milan, because the vacancies in Milan is very high, and in my opinion there is a good space for repositioning the big corporates in Rome because of pricing and because of product. So if we have the nice product, in my opinion, there is the big corporates in Rome could be repositioned, and so there is a good space to do business with. And the last, I mean, we didn't speak about the market that in Italy is not a market because it's very fragmented and dominated by the privates, but residential all over Europe, it's a market, a corporate market. And so in my opinion, if we become more international, we should also think about repositioning that market through the corporate side. So the last 10 million on residential.
Okay, good. And thank you very much to the panel. Thank you.